Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shrishti. I hope you're doing well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So today we are at Sakshi's place. I'm waiting for her right now, and me and Sakshi, we are doing a really fun challenge today which includes food. We are doing a food related fun challenge, and here she comes. So today is going to be a very fun day. I hope everything turns out good, and hopefully it will be in my favor. Say hi to Sakshi.
Hello.
How do you feel by always coming late? Okay, Sakshi, tell the audience what are we doing today. I've given them a brief that we're doing a food challenge, but not exactly what.
So today we are doing an interesting challenge, and
Which is the stone paper scissor food challenge.
Yeah.
So basically, what?
all are familiar with that challenge. We used to do it in our school days.
No, that's a game. We don't do that challenge in school.
I used to do it with my friends. Not that challenge, but the game, dude.
Obviously,
not the
that's
challenge.
what I'm talking about. The game everybody used to play.
That's what.
So basically, the rules will be that we have decided 3 courses. We're gonna go for drinks, a little bit food like the main course, and desserts. So we're going nearby here only, and we've got some 2-3 good cafes around.
Yes.
So we're gonna go there, and also the main challenge is that we're gonna do the stone paper scissors thing, and whoever wins will order their choice of food. I think you must have seen this reel on Instagram or
Yeah.
TikTok or
You
anywhere.
have shared me.
Yeah, I've shared you. I'm talking
Yes.
to the audience who don't know. So, and the twist is that we're gonna do the stone paper scissors right here, and then we're gonna go to the restaurant, and we're not going to reveal what we're going to have, and we're gonna directly tell that we're gonna order this. Whoever the person wins,
Yes.
and her food choice is really bad, guys.
No.
Yes, it is.
That is not
She
true.
eats
Come on.
veg momos with the cabbage. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started.
I like veg. I don't like non-veg.
No, that's not happening. You're gonna
I'm a
eat.
vegetarian, no, that's why.
Shut up. She eats. You eat non-veg, huh?
No, I don't.
lie.
I only eat biryani, come on.
Biryani. Wow, biryani.
Biryani without chicken pieces in it.
That's not
Only
biryani.
the rice.
That's not biryani.
Come on. Oh.
So let's go.
Hi everyone. So we are on the way. Where are we going? But
First place, we are going to Little Plates, right, for drinks.
yeah, Little Plates. That was a part of a challenge, right?
Yeah, but as we are going here only, so there are not a lot of cute cafes, you know.
You're looking so pretty.
No, but we are not eating everything at single restaurant, right? I told you. So for drinks, we are going to Little Plates, and for food, La Delicia, because La Delicia has non-veg, and Little Plate is a vegetarian
So we are going
cafe.
to eat non-veg today.
Yeah, depends if
No,
I
dude.
win. Yeah,
Okay, if you win,
if I
then if you win, then I'm gonna be hungry today.
no, you can also eat.
Yeah,
You know, I will order something that we both like.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And we are here. Many of you might know this cafe, okay? We'll get down and show you.
Chalo.
Let's go.
We are right out of the cafe, and well, I've come to this cafe before, and they have some amazing mocktails and coffees and milkshake.
I love the pasta, Alfredo pasta. You
Yeah, we
must
came on
try.
your birthday, right?
Yes, my birthday. We were here.
So we are here for some drinks. It's either gonna be why should I tell? So let's do the thing, you know, stone
Yes.
paper scissors. Are you ready?
Yes,
3,
I'm ready.
2, 1, stone. Arey, dumb bitch.
I thought
No.
okay, we should skip that song stone paper scissors.
No, I wanna do it. Stone, paper, scissors. Oh fuck! Yes! Oh shit!
Oh god.
Oh
Every time I
God.
win, no? Life
Dude,
is full of-
This is the first time. This is
last
the first
challenge.
stop.
Last challenge also I won.
whatever. We're gonna see who wins today. So basically now.
I won already.
So basically Sakshi has won this round. So she will get to choose the drinks for us, both of us.
Yes.
So let's go inside and check the menu, and she's gonna place
And you'll
the
see my
order.
choice is not that bad. It is like.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's go. So we're right outside the cafe. It's a pretty cute cafe, like the interior and all. Everything is quite sweet. Let's lock the car. Are you done?
We are entering the
Let's
cafe.
go. We're gonna enter the cafe, and I think this might be a little awkward because
अच्छा है कोई नहीं है ज़्यादा आज मुझे कौन नहीं है
there's a tiny little bit problem that this cafe, there's like an electricity cut off right now. So Sakshi has went to check that what all can we order in drinks. So we're gonna wait till Sakshi comes, or else we will have to go somewhere else.
तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नाही आहे आणि म्हणून आम्हाला जे ऑर्डर करायचं आहे ते नाही करू शकत आम्ही ब्लॅक करीन फ्रापे ऑर्डर करणार आहोत
Amina, you are going to order it for
Me.
us. Yeah.
फॉर अस
So for now, I think we would go to the second place. That is the what is it? La Delicia. And- La Delicia, whatever. And we will get some food over there. So let's go, and we will come afterwards after we have some
मे बी
food.
तेव्हा लाईट येईल इथे
Yeah.
आणि
We don't know for sure.
होप फॉर द बेस्ट येईल लाईट आय
Let's go then. So let's go to the second place. That is La Delicia, and
I can sing better.
oh, good.
Should I?
No, please don't sing. So we've come to the second place right now. It's the La Delicia. It's right.
Delicia की Delis.
Whatever, La Delice, La Delicia, La Delicia. Okay, bas. Stone, paper. Do it faster.
Okay.
Stone, paper, scissor.
Yeah, I want. You have to eat veg now. But I can compromise. I can adjust. If you want something of your choice, you can tell me.
No, but this is supposed to be the challenge, right? I can't back.
But I'm not that harsh on you. I don't
Now
want
I
to
know
be
what you'll
harsh
order.
on
I
you.
know what you'll order.
What? I have never been to that place, so I don't know.
Yeah,
what
that's
it
good.
serves.
Thank God.
So
But can
have
we
to
have
check.
another chance, please?
No, no, darling.
That means
no.
you're gonna order the drink and the food and everything. Let's make it your dinner then.
It
What
is
is
my
this,
dinner.
yeah?
It has been a thing that I win every time. I don't know how, but yeah, the luck is
Yeah.
on my side, I guess.
No, I don't want to eat your choice of food.
You have to, honey.
Yeah, I have to now. Of course, it was my
I'm
idea.
sorry. I feel sorry for you.
It was my stupid idea to do this challenge, and I thought I would win. But I don't have any luck.
Hard luck. Hard luck.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. Never mind.
I don't know what I'm gonna order because I don't know what it serves.
It
Well,
is
ask-
a good cafe. It's really a good
You
cafe.
have been
Yeah,
there?
I've been there 6-7 times.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's good.
It's my first time. Let's go.
It's good. Come on, put on your masks.
Mask lady.
I am really upset that Sakshi won the food round.
Oh, it's okay, baby. I always win. It's my what to say?
It's your thing. Winning is
It's
your
my aura.
thing.
Yeah, winning is my aura.
Do you even know the meaning of aura?
Yeah,
And you're like,
I
winning
know.
is my aura.
I know.
Okay, let's go quickly. Guys, people were staring at us like we are criminals and we are holding guns and swords. It was so awkward.
This thing is new for our area now. That's why I get.
Yeah, like people are. Oh भाई, क्या? हमने कुछ किया भी नहीं आपको.
यार यहाँ पे
बहुत कुछ है.
See, dude, it's my thing. No, you better keep your mouth shut. I'll order whatever I want.
She can be a bitch sometimes.
I'm always a bitch, to be honest.
I'm sad that I did not win, but I think she has placed a pretty good order. But I wanted to eat the chicken barbecue wings. But I'll come next time, okay? You watch me. Huh, I'm not gonna bring you. Huh.
I don't care. I'll come behind you.
Okay, catch you when the food comes. Bye. So our loaded nachos are here. Looks pretty tasty.
It looks tasty, no?
But there is no chicken in it now. So I'm going to start eating. Yeah? I'm going to pretend that I can't. Yeah, that's what you're good at.
Arey, dude, wait. Let the other dish come. I want to take a picture of it.
Here is our pasta and nachos. They really taste good. And yeah, spaghetti is here with some cute garlic breads. Thank you for ordering some good stuff. Let's dig in. So we're done with the food and everything. Our total bill was around 325. So, yeah, the place is really affordable and the taste is also amazing. So you can definitely check that place out. I'll leave the Google Maps link if you all want to come here.
The spaghetti was too good. Like
Yeah, everything was good. Everything was yummy.
Except the nacho sauce, I didn't like
No, it was good. Yeah, you don't know the taste, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So now basically we have some work. So we're going to complete that work and then we're going to go back to Little Plates. So we're back again to Little Plates and now we're going to check if the lights are back.
I have decided what to order. So
Yeah,
I'm going to order blackcurrant
We are trying the frappe. What blueberry? Blackberry.
blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant frappe. Let's give it a shot. I think it would be good. Catch you when the drink comes. And we have ordered only a single drink because pasta and nachos got us full. But we are doing the challenge and we will be finishing the whole thing. I'm gonna drink it half, she's gonna drink it half. So basically, yeah, we're still doing the challenge.
Ask no, yaar.
Taste test.
Good.
Too good. Oh my
Excuse
god.
me. Oryx stop.
It's damn yum. Shit, too good.
I know, right? I can.
Dude, this is amazing. It's so yum. I want to see your reaction. Yeah? Too good. It's yum. I'm so proud of you. This is a really good choice. The hint of blackcurrant is not strong, but it's there. It's like subtle. It's like perfect. Yeah, it's literally damn yummy. And it's just for 130, which is great. I think it's affordable and it's yum.
Yeah.
What else do we need in a frappe? Starbucks? Who's Starbucks?
What
Buy
Starbucks? Yeah.
So have you come up with the dessert place?
No, you have it, no?
Yeah, I have
in your
it.
mind.
But what if you win again?
We'll choose you.
Bro, that's like so unfair.
It's okay.
Okay, fine. Let's go. The last pit stop that we're going to make is for desserts, and I have a good dish in my mind, which is small and a sweet way to end our meal. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm thinking that I should give you.
No,
This time
it's not like
it should
that.
be your
na.
call, yeah.
No.
It's like I'm so tired of winning, no?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, really?
even though I will have the sportsmanship and I want to play again, okay? Come on.
Big words from this girl.
Come on, do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
मान दिया मैंने इसको. मैंने उसको like 0.2 seconds के अंदर I saw her doing this, so I just did this and go.
She doesn't
It's a
have
go.
sportsmanship. So, I have thought of going to Baker's Hut.
Yeah, all-time favorite for desserts.
Or maybe Naturals we can go.
Naturals, we had this frappe thing.
Yeah.
It's like similar to Naturals,
Yeah.
so I don't think so we should go there. We will go to
Naturals is like OG. I got a donut for both of us. I like Baker's Hut ka donuts. I thought you would know this.
No, I haven't tried. I have tried it, but I don't like it much.
You don't like it?
No,
Sad.
you have it.
At least one bite you gotta have.
Okay.
Yeah, it's center filled. Okay, we're back home now. I went to Baker's Hut and I bought the donut. It's actually a takeaway thing right now because we can't really eat. So we ate it in the car. She did not eat. She ate like 2-3 bites, but I finished the whole donut. And yes, we had a fun time today.
Yeah, it was too. Like we needed this time
Yeah,
after so long.
it felt good
Yeah,
and everything was good. Today was good lunch.
good meal date.
Yes,
Happy
and-
date kind of stuff.
I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what next challenge would you like to see me doing
Subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.
to not to miss any notifications. And yeah, thank you for watching. We're dropping
Also
Sakshi off right now and then I'll go home.
Also visit the places if you haven't.
Yeah, they are pretty good.
Yeah, and try
Especially-
that blackcurrant frappe.
Yeah, that was like the highlight of the day, I would say.
Oh, my thing,
Yeah,
I
the
chose
frappe
it.
was too good, top notch. Okay, thank you for watching. Till
Yeah,
then,
bye.
bye.
Bye.